Today, technology has advanced to a level that we are seeing it as a threat. And AI is one such advancement that we designers fear the most. As technology advances, more and more tasks are being taken over by AI and is becoming more integrated into the design process. From user research to prototyping, many tasks are now being automated. And AI is not just a nightmare for designers but for everyone. But I cannot completely blame businesses or technology for that matter. We are partially responsible for this one. We created this demand. We live in a fast paced world where we want everything that we see in the blink of an eye. So, to stand out from competition and not lose their market share, businesses have no choice but to rely on advanced technology because humans have certain limitations, which is obvious, it's not a surprise. So, does this mean AI will replace us? The simple answer is no, because it has its own limitations too. Even though AI is capable of performing tasks quickly and with high accuracy, it lacks the ability to understand human connections and emotions. We have so many creative AI tools like content generators and avatar creators, and they're amazing at what they do, but these tools can be used effectively with human expertise. This also allows for effective collaboration and can open up new opportunities. And it can help to prevent the trap of excessive perfectionism that many artists fall into. But it's important to remember that AI is not a replacement, but rather a tool that can augment our capabilities. It's up to us to learn how to work with it and adapt to the changes it brings. It's also important to know how to use technology mindfully and not rely on it too heavily. So, should you be concerned about AI replacing you? The answer is no. As long as we stay informed and adaptable, we can continue to thrive alongside it. But those who are resistant to change and technology may be at risk of being replaced. So stay informed about new technology and learn how to use it effectively in order to take advantage of its benefits while avoiding its potential negative effects.